Hello, it is Tuesday, December 20th, 2011 at 7:18 p.m. Central Standard Time. And earlier I made a video for a weather share on Northwest Iowa, and I wanted to just expound on that a little bit. We're looking at the College of DuPage website. We're looking at their visible satellite, and here's basically what the clouds looked like from the air right at that point. The video I made was at about 2:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, which would make it 20:42 UTC time. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so you can kind of see. Right here you can see that there's chemtrailing going on contrary to these main lines. And I'm not sure, it's kind of hard to match exactly what's coming, what you're seeing from the air and what you're seeing on satellite, but this kind of gives you a general idea at least. You can see that there's also chemtrailing right here, as well as up in here. I'm going to go ahead and play this through. We got a whole red area in here because the satellite was down for almost 24 hours last night. So the first image you see comes from that, but also, I'm going to step it through, going back to the beginning of the loop down here. It says December 19th at 20:45, and then if I advance it one, it'll skip all my red ones. It's still at December 19th, 20:45. It's kind of interesting, this ripples that you see right here, as well as this looks like a different layer. I'm not sure if this is on the ground. I don't think so. And then almost 20 hours later, at December 20th, 1631, there's a hole right where those two items were going back. See? Going forward. I thought that was interesting, because that's quite a lot of time to pass and have it still be reacting to that area. And then also, we'll go forward to when I made the video. Oops, too many times. There's 20:01. So that was just before. There's a real strong line right here. And I'm pretty sure that's a chemtrail. This is 2015. 2031, just before I made the video. 2045, that's when I made it. And then it jumps to 2131. So we're missing quite a few frames in between for some reason, almost an hour, 45 minutes worth. So that's why it just comes back into line so quickly. So I'll let it run through again so you can see the effect of that. See, it was starting to do something, and then it looks like it snaps back. And here's that one that was growing. And then looking at radar, it doesn't really show, it doesn't look the same as what I'm seeing on the other one. Here you've got, these are harp rings actually, because right here's Des Moines. And when there's harp rings, Des Moines itself is in between two of the harp rings that appear, the frequencies that are affected. It must be from the radar coming out of Omaha, which would be this one. And then the Quad Cities for this one. I think that's Dubuque, if I'm not mistaken. But you can't really see those other clouds up in here. The loop's going through. There's 2042. Well, let's stop it and go back to where I shot the video. Oh, my mouse is not cooperating. Well, if I hit the right buttons, it might help. Okay. Yeah, see, it keeps going when I'm done. Stop. It gets like sticky. Here's 2043. So none of those clouds are showing up here. And I'll go ahead and let it loop through. This is that beam that comes out of St. Louis that's always on for some reason. And then this is the visible satellite zoomed out a little bit so you can see the effects. I'll go ahead and just let it play through. And what else did I have? Here is the infrared. Oh, I forgot to block those out, sorry. And these are just kind of being formed and then condensing together is what it looks like. Then I also went to the University of Utah, and this is the troposphere report, and I just want to show you, here's Iowa, and right in this same area, the wind is not really going any direction. We got going to the northeast, we got it going to the southwest, here we got it going due east, here we got it going southeast. So, and those clouds are right in this lighter blue area. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you more while I had it up. God bless you.